A leading edge, first runs on the board. That's a good shout. He's taken his time. The finger has gone up.
Position, you're on screen now.
Inside edge. He'll take that. Oh, that's a good shot. Gets a little bit of a bad bounce. First boundary. That'll go away. Again, squeezing it away on the onside.
That space. Good. Oh no, this should be taken. It's gone up somewhere. Kusal Mendis is underneath it. He takes it. That's what Sri Lanka are after, and that's what they get.